the manufacturing productivity of companies, continents apart, arriving in crates, boxes, and containers. Major elements being positioned in Everett, Washington, each ready for assembly into one of Boeing's newest jet airliners, the 767, now in production. From Boeing in Portland, Oregon, come the throttles to control the new technology engines, the main landing gear beams, and flap link supports. From Manasco in California, the finely machined nose landing gear. The newest materials technology is being employed in the production of parts for the 767. Incorporated are the latest aluminum alloys, graphite composites, and hybrid composites of Kevlar and graphite. From within Boeing and from many other companies come the hundreds of thousands of small parts, brackets, clips, angles, fasteners, and rivets, all of which have been stockpiled, arranged, cataloged, and stationed adjacent to the assembly areas, ready for use as the first of the 767s moves down the line. One of the engines available for the 767, the Pratt & Whitney JT9D 7R4, has been subjected to punishing foreign object ingestion and endurance tests, successfully completing 7 tests, totaling 564 hours of official time. The disassembled engine was inspected by the Federal Aviation Administration and certified in November 1980. Further verifying the operating characteristics of the 7R4, Pratt & Whitney has mounted an engine on a modified B-52 and is logging approximately 50 hours of actual flight. The first production 7R4 engine has been delivered to Boeing, where it was mated to the strut, manufactured by the Convair division of General Dynamics. In turn, the assembly was instrumented and installed in the left inboard position on a 747 to evaluate the engine's performance with the Boeing-designed nacelle, nearly a full year before it will be used to power the 767. With engineering essentially complete, assembly has begun, the fuselage taking shape seemingly overnight. Innovative tooling, like this turn fixture to rotate partially completed sections, has speeded the assembly process and resulted in cost savings. In October 1980, the forward passenger section was joined to the cab. This marks the first time that Boeing has pre-assembled these two sections, saving time and additional tooling during the final joining of major portions of the aircraft. mated sections were removed from the jig in December, ready for equipment installation. Portions of the midsection of the passenger compartment are manufactured by Grumman in Stuart, Florida. Transported to Everett, Washington, assembly began in December. Added to the Grumman parts were skin panels produced by CTDC in Japan. The section, when completed, will be placed on top of the wing center section, also made by Grumman. Joined later to the section will be the newly designed wing for the 767, now being assembled. From Boeing's Auburn plant come the precision-milled skins and stringers, ready for riveting. Every 9 seconds, these 2-story tall machines drill, countersink, insert, squeeze, and shave a rivet to the contour of the wing. Despite their size, the machines move back and forth to points accurate to mere thousandths of an inch. The fixed leading edge from the Boeing Vertol division in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, is assembled and placed in the wing tool, along with the front and rear spars, trailing edge, and ribs. The prepared panels are lowered into position for attachment to the wing structure. In December, the first completed wing assembly was lifted from the tool. The aft portion of the passenger compartment will join the other sections as the 767 nears final assembly. Typical of the other sections, construction begins with the installation of floor beams and seat tracks. Design experience from 4 generations of Boeing jet airplanes has been applied to this new technology transport. Its improvements result in a fatigue-resistant, corrosion-resistant, low-maintenance airplane, the most precision built today. The aft portion of the fuselage was produced by Canadair in Montreal, Canada. The upper and lower halves were joined in Everett. This section will be the attach point for the vertical fin and horizontal stabilizers. From our participant Air Italia in Italy come the vertical fin and rudder, as well as all of the wing control surfaces, many of which are made of new technology composite materials. The horizontal stabilizer is being manufactured by Vought Aerospace in Dallas, Texas. In mid-1982, the first passengers will begin boarding the Boeing 767, ushering in a new age in jet travel. Sales continue strong. Over 300 committed to 15 airlines, including 166 firm orders. The Boeing 767. Excellence in design. Now, excellence in production.